Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 8 February and my video topic is encapsulation. First of all, understand what is meant by encapsulation. Encapsulation is a bundling of data and method and that operate in a single unit. This is called class and operate as a single unit, and they hiding the implementation details from the users. This is known as encapsulation. That is, it simply means that bundling of data and methods and then operate in a single unit. That is called the encapsulation. Just like the capsule, in a capsule there are so many ingredients are situated in that capsules, and they are covered by the outer layer, and that outer layer to inner part is situated many ingredients in a one capsule. This is known as encapsulation. And encapsulation, the hiding of the data, hiding the implementation details from the users. Encapsulation, various advantages of encapsulation, that is they are hiding the data, they are flexibles, and more on. It is reusables. That are the many. These are the advantages of encapsulation. To understand encapsulation in details, how the encapsulation will be achieved to understand. To encapsulation will be achieved to declare variable as a private. For example, in a class, the variable will be declared as a private. That is called private string name. Name variable will be declared as a private. And then declared as a private. Then the method will be declared as a public because the access the variable in a class. That's why they declare as the method will be public, and they use the getter and setter because getter and setter be used because to getter will be used to access the variable, and setter will be the modify the name of the variables. That's why they use the getter and setter, and the method will be declared as a public. For example, in the same class, method will be declared as a public void student, public void get name is a method. Get name is a method to declare as a public. In this method, to get the variable of the declare as a private in a class. That's why how to get the variable public. To method is public void and get name. In that method to return the name. That's why they get the variable of the in a class. How to use the setter, same as to get in setter. They also method will be declared as a public void set name. In this method to set the modify the variable. For example, in a class is a student. in a student class to declare as a variable as private string is equals name, and in that class the one method as public, setter method can declare as a public, like public void set name in that method to set the name of the, to modify the name of the, to declare about the method, that is to create an object that is student name as a new student, that is the student name, student name is equals to new name, that is the create an object, and they modify the to modify the name of the student to declare the inner class. That are the two way to achieve the encapsulation will be more advantage. They hiding the implementation details from the users. That's why they and to show to the user what we can use show that particular part will be shown by the user, and implementation details are not shown by the users. And the encapsulation also example as in a for example in a bank to show the only the user with the account balance, not implementation details how the balance are situated, and another details of the user, only show the balance, and according to the user they show that part of the users. They are also encapsulation are very useful to hiding the data from the user, and it is a flexible because according to requirement they can modify, and changes will be occur when according to requirement, and that changes are not shown to the client or users. They are reusable, and more are advantage of encapsulation. That are today discussed about all about the encapsulation, introduction, advantage, how they are achieve encapsulation, and they are discussed today video's topic. Thank you.